Alright, you're looking at my Flight Simulator instrument panel, which has taken approximately 300 hours of work in 4.5 months, all built from scratch. First on the list here is the throttle quadrant. There's your throttle, forward and back. There's your mixture, forward and back. And of course your propeller controls, forward and back. Over here we have cowl flaps, open and close, forward and back. Let's see, those are all the push rods hooked up to potentiometers for the throttle. You've got your primer in and out, landing gear up and down, altitude adjustment, directional gyro adjustment, master switches off and on. You get your magneto switches here. It's also a magneto selector right there. This is your avionics master on and off, which also happens to turn the trim on and off. These four lights here, which control different kinds of lighting, but at the moment I only have this one programmed in. It's easy to change, but those are also hooked up to the LEDs. You've got your carburetor heat here, pull out, back in. So you also have your wing flaps here. So it's kind of hard to see, but you have your full range of 40 degrees to choose from. Up here you've got your radio controls basically. There's your COM to select, nav, COM, nav, OBS selector, omni bearing selector right there. That's your ADF selector. And your transponder selector. Down here is your frequency swap. And you can't see it very well, but that is a knob for changing the radio frequencies. And last on the list, of course, is the most important to me, is a trim wheel. And that also changes, you can't really see it well in there, but it's actually changing the, has little labels in there, tells you how many percent's down. It's all been scratch built. That was the hardest part. Turn off the light here. Over here are the throttle controls. You can look up there. They all correspond. There's your throttle, forward and back, mixture, forward and back, and propeller control, forward and back. Anyways, another look at the lights here. Off and up for the gear. And off. And of course, see this? No, still no very good quality, but on and off there. So, alright, that concludes it.